$21,300. New Bitcoin all-time high. We knocked out the 20K former consensus crypto Twitter all-time high, and above 21 now. Let's see what's above. Blue sky breakout. Let's go. Firstly, congratulations to everyone who held through that multi-year bear market, however you want to measure it. Takes a lot of courage, confidence in yourself, in the research, in Bitcoin, the protocol, decentralization, Satoshi, everybody, and a lot of distrust in central planning, government fiat money by decree, and just debasement of currency and purchasing power by central banks and their insatiable appetite for more printing and more debasement and more purchasing power theft through inflation. So congratulations. I think this is probably just the beginning of something pretty special, but super excited for everyone. We're over 21,000 is the interest data there, and just super happy to see this. I think the altcoins, I think Link is going to perform. I think the Link parabolic move is going to continue. I know a lot of Bitcoiners are going to disagree with that, but Link is painting a pretty solid all-time parabola against Bitcoin. I'll pull that up here. Yeah, so if you look at that chart here that I screenshot from someone on Twitter, I believe yesterday, you can see the all-time from the beginning of Link to current. It was yesterday or the day before, I believe, the all-time chart here. So it's hard to kind of tell on this because it's a little blurry. But yeah, I expect that move to continue onward, and Link to have an amazing 2021. Not financial advice. My target has always been $65,000 Bitcoin and over triple digit Link at least. But we'll have to wait and see. I mean, this is a new paradigm, or we're in a different situation with institutional investment, people raising money to look at MicroStrategy, raising money to buy more Bitcoin. People have a lot of distrust and not a lot of faith in government money right now. So that's why we're seeing stocks still booming. I mean, people are just looking for an outlet to just break even, I think, because if you hold dollars or you hold another flag money, if you hold more flag money, then you are absolutely sure, outside of a couple situations where over time, I think the average shelf life for a national currency is like 30 or 40 years on average. So, and then eventually they debase, they print, they cannot help it. They can't help themselves. It's the oldest story in the history of the world. As Judge Napolitano likes to talk about, libido dominandi, the lust for power. They print the money, they pass it out to their friends, and it's a club that you aren't in. So yeah, this is the outlet for people that are sick of having the things they work for debased and stolen out from under them in their bank accounts. And yeah, this is how it's going to be. This is the future we're going to live in. And I just think that I mean, you have the option here of money based on the crown, basically. Not even the crown, the mob. It's not even a sovereign. It's not somebody who has long-term time preference. It's the mob. It's democracy. It's people that come and go. That this money is based on energy and not waste. It's energy storage. You're storing your energy, as Michael Saylor likes to say. And this is all predictable with Moore's law and Gresham's law. Good money drives, or bad money drives good out of circulation. So that's why we're seeing this rush into Bitcoin. It's not like the writing has been on the wall for a long time. I mean, since the early 2000s, the United States debt was only was only a couple $1 trillion, which isn't good. But now we're looking at hundreds of trillions of dollars in debt, total debt. And you just can't have it. You can't live. You can't have a society. You can't have a productive future for your people like that. And people are seeing that Bitcoin is the most useful asset in the world now. So with that, here are a couple stories today. I just wanted to get that off my chest. Thanks to everybody in the Patreon. If you're not in the Patreon, check it out. Patreon.com patreon.com/RL Breyer. Link in the description. Weekly weekly newsletter every Sunday. Group Zooms once a month. Next one coming up here at the end of December. Group chat, Telegram link for as little as $2 a month. You can get in the Patreon. Join us. Good group of people that care about freedom, liberty, Bitcoin, blockchain, crypto, Chainlink, RSR. We got a lot of different people in there. So, yeah, check it out. All right. First story here. Binance. We should make 20 to 30 acquisitions every year from Amelia Tomasicchio, the cryptonomist. A few hours ago, there was a small online press conference organized by Binance with the CEO of the exchange, CZ Zhao, in which the cryptonomist had the opportunity to attend. Surely this is 2020. In some ways, it's boring since you can't travel, go out, or be with friends. But as far as CZ is concerned, this is the most exciting, boring life, as he and his company are announcing a lot of news in this period. Among other things, Binance for Binance in 2021 is preparing to expand, making it clear that it will acquire many new companies, at least 20 or 30. You can read the whole article over there on the Cryptonomist. And another story I just wanted to touch on real quick. I posted this in the Patreon earlier, so check this out as well. 35% of all U.S. dollars in existence were printed or created in the last 10 months. Printed, they digitally created in the last 10 months. So just check it out. You can do the math here with the M1 money stock of money in circulation, deposits, all that stuff, all the good stuff. Just curious what that entails. M1 money stock. M1 money stock, or M1 money, is a country's basic money supply that's used as a medium of exchange. M1 includes demand deposits, as I noted, and checking accounts, which are the most commonly used exchange mediums through the use of debit cards and ATMs. Of all the components of the money supply, M1 is defined as the most narrow, or defined the most narrowly. So, yeah, it's a good testament to what's going on with the money supply, how they're stealing our purchasing power, and a lot of good stuff that people that have been in crypto for a long time understand, and why these assets are going up. So everyone have a good Wednesday night. Let's keep this ball rolling as we close it out here. Bitcoin 21,206, up 9.45% for the day. Ethereum $630, up 7.23%. Link up 5.38%, $13.35. Link right at that resistance. With all of the pressure on Link, it feels like that spring's about to that coil's about to go on it. So let's see. Never financial advice. Everyone have a good Wednesday.